Last time on Dragon Ball E, Gohan felt sure he had failed and that the Earth would soon be lost. But then came a voice.
You've got to be joking. Well, that's nothing like the Gohan I know.
All Gohan needed was a little reassurance.
Trust yourself, Gohan. What's really draining all your strength is your own doubt.
Alright, enough of that foolishness. In today's episode, we throw the track wheels on our Supra. Let's go. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. Starting the morning off at Ape Garage, where we're actually gonna be throwing on our first set of wheels. And no, they're not gonna be the AGs. How I look at it is, I mean, the AGs, they're luxury wheels. And I wouldn't want them to get scuffed up, even in the slightest. Like, they were purely just my show wheels. I mean, that's why I bought them in the first place. But now things have changed. Basically, 2020 has been a write-off for all events and conventions and car shows. So that means I have to go a different direction. My plan with this thing in the first place was for it to be a track-inspired Supra that is also worthy as a daily, because I am gonna be dailying this. And then the FRS is gonna be the super show car. I mean, both cars are gonna be show cars, but now I have the opportunity to have a really, really fast car. We're gonna make it hella fast. What's up, fellas? We'll open one box and show you guys the finish. That's it, guys. Bronze. God damn. Oh, and it does come with stickers too. Somewhere. Yeah. Except we're gonna be creating our own custom ones, so I'll just take this and won't stick it on yet. And apparently, like, did you guys know this? This is supposed to go on a specific spoke, but I forgot which one. I think it's like opposite from this. Correct me if I'm wrong. Damn, show you guys some of the projects that are in here right now. Oh, we saw this GTR at Assured the other day, actually. I think they were getting some paint work done on it. Wait, I thought these were T's. Yeah. Ape's Garage is freaking sweet, man. This is a dream garage. Like 3 lifts, you got the 4 posts over there, it's a random NSX collecting dust in the corner. Yeah, no, this is cool. So I'm gonna get Fong to do the tire swap for us. So basically, we're just gonna be taking the same Pilot Super Sports that are already sitting on the 19-inch stock wheels and throwing those onto the 19-inch T's. Wow, okay, this is inspiration. Guys, we need one. Yeah, this was sitting in the other room a few videos back. Definitely did not look like this. Yo, I think it's time. We need one for the channel, guys. Yeah, okay, that's ballsy, man. What the hell?
When you got too much money.
To own an RX-7, I mean, the thing about RX-7s is, first of all, it's rotary, but like rotary engines are amazing if you know how to treat them well. But if I ever end up picking up an RX-7 for myself or for this channel, we're definitely gonna be swapping it with something else. All right, we're just gonna leave the Supra here for the day-ish, just a few hours. But these guys do have a couple of things they need to work on themselves. So I'm just gonna grab my stuff. We're gonna leave these here. Sweet. All right, hon.
All right, man.
Appreciate it. We'll go like that.
Okay.
And yeah, we'll just leave you the keys, okay?
Okay.
If you have any urge to take it down the highway, you have my permission.
All right.
Product test. Okay, Fong. See you later, bruh. Leave these in Ape's hands. Have a good day, man.
Yeah, later, man.
Woo. All set. Oh, whoa. What are you doing over here?
I took a walk.
What the heck? Did you just know?
No, Gavin told me.
Yeah, your the GTR you were working on is sitting right there too.
Still sitting there?
Yeah.
Yo, that looks sick, man.
Yeah. And this light, right?
Right
you can
there.
see the green.
Right there.
Perfect. But in like in gloomy days, if it's
It's dark. Like I walked up to it, I couldn't see it.
yeah.
Like right there, you can't see it.
Yeah, man. In sunlight, it's super noticeable.
Oh, that's so sick.
Yeah, it turned out, man. Thanks. And yeah, we did our idea where we just put a little bit of liner.
Got your foam in there.
Yeah.
It worked out good. So,
Yeah. But you know what? It's like snug.
Yeah, that fits really good.
Yeah, it turned out the color match spot on, man. Josh.
Except it's dirty. Why is it so dirty?
Yo, chill. Accidentally left it on the rain. Gotta start your Instagram. Or yeah, just if any Calgary locals need paint work done on their cars or any like actual body work or any automotive work for that matter, just Assured Auto Body, find Josh. It's literally just down the road, man. It's like right there. Apparently the Raptor has butt chillers. I've never heard of such a thing. Why would, what? I guess so, man. It does come in handy in really, really hot situations like this. But what? Oh, that's cool. Literally. Took this and we're just gonna try to create our own Vogue Racing decal. We'll take it to the garage, scan it, size it up, the same exact size, but in our color. Yo, these guys hooking us up with free masks. Damn, thank you. Cool. Next up, gotta drop off some packages. Yeah, these are all Canada. The other one is all. All right.
That's all good.
Well, I appreciate it.
No problem.
You guys have a good day, okay? Easy cake. There's 2 things off the list. Now we have to go meet Angus. Apparently he's waiting for us at the garage. Free masks. This is 500 horsepower?
Yeah, twin turbos.
Holy mother, twin turbo. The only thing is like it's on the heavier side. It's a truck, okay? But 500 horsepower truck, this thing is a beast. Oh. Wide body.
Yeah, this is actually the 04 SL 55.
Yeah.
But they just did a conversion to the whole SL 63 in the new
Right, yeah, it has like the 5 LEDs and stuff. That's insane.
The LED looks so Japanese too.
Yeah.
Like the whole bumper, the one.
And this was in Japan.
It was in Japan, only one owner, and it's being shipped here. No one registered yet.
That's
Yeah,
fucked.
doesn't
So you got-
even need this
oh,
front
man.
plate. Doesn't even need this front plate
Yeah.
bracket. It's gonna be cleaner.
Wow, dude, that's such a good
Crazy.
find.
Hold on.
I don't know, for some reason I see you driving that thing.
Thank you. It's so nice.
What are you thinking, dude?
It's 2004. I
Are
don't
you
even care about
dreaming?
the years. I'm
Yeah.
definitely dreaming, man.
That's cool, that's cool. So, why not the AGs? Well, in the beginning of the year, I had set my sights on getting a Lotus, and that would have been the track build. 2020 goals, track build, Lotus. But that was replaced with the Supra. That thing. So, now that we have this A90 in our possession, and it is probably one of the fastest things I'll ever own, we're gonna go full track spec on it. I've been following a few A90 builds right now that actually bring it religiously to the track, including Jackie Ding, who's the owner of this beautiful, it's actually his second Supra. He has a YouTube channel. I'll put all of his social media stuff in the description. I've been going back and forth and asking him tips and stuff because he knows his stuff. And he's been kind enough to share his knowledge with me and give me some ideas. And I'm actually planning on buying one of their Spage Sports custom carbon fiber front lips. But after the COVID stuff kind of delayed everything and production was at a standstill, kind of had to back off on that. So I'm still waiting on it. But for now, we're gonna be rocking APR carbon fiber lip. It is our actual daily as well, so we're gonna make it a comfortable track A90 that's dailyable, you know, if that makes sense. So the AGs, they're 3-piece wheels. And like, I rock AG 3 pieces on the FRS right now, but they're heavy. And the TEs, you can carry the 19-inch with one hand and actually do curls with them. So that's the plan. We're just gonna make the A90, not that it already isn't, but we're just gonna make that thing super fast, and I plan on getting the big turbo for it as well. and hopefully we can get it on a dyno sooner rather than later so that we can get the base numbers. My plan is to push this over 500 horsepower. So there's several things you can do to it right away that can actually give you like 80 to 100 horsepower, including the boot mod, which we're gonna be doing that soon too. It's literally just like a USB dongle and you can do it yourself. And then obviously we got the downpipe, the exhaust is gonna be installed as soon as we break it in. And then weight reduction, so carbon fiber everything. We're gonna try and get our hands on the TS2 style Sabin carbon fiber hood, and yeah, just carbon fiber aero everything, man. We got pretty sweet plans for this thing. Right now, we're just gonna wait for the call from Ape so we can pick it up and show you guys what the new TEs look like on Supra. Believe it or not, we also sold the Mustang the other day, so just waiting for the new owner to come by now. It's actually a dad came to look at it with his son, and it's for the son. It's gonna be his first manual car. I mean, they took it for a test drive and the dad says it's good, and I am getting the amount that I asked for, so that green thing's gonna be out of here pretty soon. That's yours. Appreciate it, man. We'll do that. Yeah. Dominic. All right, man. We sold the Mustang, guys, and it's to these fine gentlemen. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, no Thanks problem. Again. Thanks. Thank you. Whenever it's like midnight, go for a night run, and when there's no one on the streets. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, enjoy the ride. Damn. Take care, man. Goodbye, Mustang. That is the end of that chapter. Sacrilege.
1, 2, and 2. No. It's the same. It's just a different variant. So because bumpers are painted somewhere else, so they have they get mixed a little bit different. So it's a hood.
So that hood for 5 months and just randomly put up.
Oh, really? You got it today, and you're just like, let's get it in and done, eh?
Because like they couldn't ship it by air because of the virus, so it's shipped by sea.
That's like 45 days. That's estimated.
Well, this isn't a Russian car.
Nice. What? That looks like a balaclava. I never made these. That's kind of scary.
That's like childhood stuff. You never done that?
No, I just burned holes in it with a magnifying glass. All right, next stop, Ape, which is like 1 minute down the road. I see the Supras.
Damn! Is that GTR?
Yo. Chill. Holy. Oh. Yo. Looks good. Alright, shout outs, Ape. Thank you guys. This looks insane. Just missing the stickers. Thank these guys. What's up? Oh shit, I'll grab a beer. I'll take one. Thanks, homie. Cheers. Yeah, here. Cheers, man. Okay, hon. Okay. Appreciate it, man. You enjoyed the weekend, okay? Thanks again.
Mine was actually in the background.
Crazy. Yo, this thing got TEs, bro. Any of you guys need car work done on your vehicles? Come visit Ape Garage, Calgary locals. Or if you want to like drive out of province or travel from US, that's cool too. Guys, let us bring this back to the shop. Convoy with the Raptor and Gutu's IS. Cannot get enough of these wheels, bro. Actually, I'm excited to throw on the AGs as well, but race wheels. Bronze actually looks really good on the downshift blue. Right now, they're center cap-less. My plan is to get some KMR ones 3D printed, and then we'll try to finesse them, throw them on. When you're modifying a car, I think like the main top physical aesthetic things like wheels, a drop on either coils or springs, and an exhaust for the sound. That's phase one. So the wheels were definitely what this was missing. Bring the dog in Gutu's car for the day. We're just gonna head home now. Hey! Hey, go on! Hey, don't do that! That's gross. You don't let him do that, okay? These guys are such a funny dynamic. What the? Watch out! Hey! What the heck are you doing? Just an update on the dust mask orders. A bunch of these have been waiting since March, April. And it's just that the dust masks actually came in like last week. So we're trying our best to just fulfill all of the orders that have been waiting for the past 2 months. And yeah, this is like the second batch. This morning we had almost the same amount get picked up by Canada Post, which is the postal service that we use here. Most of the orders would roughly take about 1 to 2 weeks depending on where you guys are located. So the wait is almost over. You guys should be getting your stuff fairly soon. This actually used to be like up to here, and there are 2 piles. But these guys are crushing it. And Shane's been working diligently these past few weeks, just trying to get these orders caught up. So thank you, Shane. We got pretty big news in our next upcoming vlog, so you guys are gonna wanna stay tuned. Pun fully intended. Thanks for watching, and well, we'll see you when we see you. Peace.